In a world dominated by screens, where does beauty reside? How do we find inspiration amidst the digital noise? The answer, it seems, lies at the intersection of technology and art, in the realm of artificial intelligence. Here, a new form of creative expression is emerging, captivating our imagination and challenging our understanding of art itself. Welcome to the world of AI art, where algorithms become artists and data transforms into breathtaking visuals. Among the pioneers of this new artistic frontier is Mystic Pallet, an AI art movement that has taken the world by storm. Imagine a world painted with emotions, where every brushstroke tells a story, and every color evokes 1,000 words. This is the essence of Mystic Pallet, a digital art form that transcends the boundaries of traditional art and invites us to experience the world through a new lens. Mystic Pallet is not just about creating pretty pictures. It's about exploring the depths of human emotion and the boundless possibilities of the human imagination. It's about finding beauty in the unexpected and discovering new ways to connect with each other through art. The emergence of AI art has sparked debate and ignited passionate discussions about the nature of creativity. Can a machine truly be creative? Does AI art lack the soul and emotion that we find so captivating in human-made art? Some argue that AI art is devoid of true artistic merit, a mere imitation of human creativity. They believe that art must be born from human experience, from the depths of our emotions and the complexities of our thoughts. Without this human touch, they argue, AI art remains a cold and sterile reflection. However, I believe that AI art offers a unique perspective on creativity, one that challenges our preconceived notions and expands our understanding of art itself. AI art, in its essence, is a reflection of ourselves, a mirror to our collective imagination. The algorithms that power AI art are trained on vast data sets of human-created art, absorbing the styles, techniques, and emotions embedded within them. In a sense, AI art becomes a distillation of human creativity, a tapestry woven from the threads of our collective artistic heritage. Mystic Pallet stands out in the vast landscape of AI art for its distinct style and evocative imagery. It's a world where vibrant colors dance across the canvas, where surreal landscapes unfold before our eyes, and where stories are told without words, through the language of shapes and hues. Imagine stepping into a world bathed in the soft glow of 1,000 sunsets, where impossible structures rise from the clouds and fantastical creatures roam freely. This is the world that Mystic Pallet invites us to explore, a utopian vision of harmony and wonder. The creators of Mystic Pallet have managed to imbue their AI with a sense of wonder and optimism, a belief in the power of beauty to transcend the mundane. Their art is not just visually stunning, it's emotionally resonant, sparking a sense of joy and hope in those who behold it. Color plays a pivotal role in Mystic Pallet, becoming a language in itself, capable of conveying complex emotions and narratives. Deep blues and greens evoke a sense of tranquility and harmony with nature, while fiery oranges and reds pulsate with energy and passion. Surrealism, another defining characteristic of Mystic Pallet, adds a layer of intrigue and mystery to the art. Familiar objects are juxtaposed in unexpected ways, creating dreamlike scenes that challenge our perception of reality. This fusion of color and surrealism allows Mystic Pallet to transcend cultural and linguistic barriers, communicating directly with our subconscious minds. It's an art form that speaks to our deepest fears and desires, inviting us to confront the unknown and embrace the impossible.